National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bamberg County in central South Carolina, southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, Barnwell County in central South Carolina until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Ellery to Blackville, or along a line extending from 14 miles east of Brookdale to 8 miles north of Barnwell, and moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Some communities in the warning area include Orangeburg, Ollie Hill, Ellery, Denmark, Branchville, Bowman, Blackville, Barnwell, and Bamberg. Expect wind gusts near 60 miles an hour with these storms. Report large hail, damaging winds or flooding to your county sheriff, or call the National Weather Service, toll-free 1-800-77-633-6772. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday evening for East Central Georgia and Central South Carolina. The National Weather Service in